Research suggests testosterone levels in men have been gradually declining for decades. More younger men are now reporting symptoms associated with low testosterone, including fatigue, reduced libido, difficulty building muscle, brain fog, low motivation. Several factors may contribute: increased obesity rates, chronic stress, poor sleep, sedentary lifestyles, environmental endocrine disruptors, processed food consumption. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which may negatively affect testosterone production. Many modern adults live in a constant state of stress, poor recovery, and sleep deprivation. Excess body fat can contribute to lower testosterone because fat tissue converts testosterone into estrogen. This creates a cycle where low testosterone promotes fat gain, increased fat further suppresses testosterone. Symptoms can include low energy, reduced sex drive, poor workout recovery, mood changes, loss of muscle mass, difficulty concentrating. Lifestyle improvements may help support healthy testosterone levels. Exercise, sleep optimization, weight loss, stress reduction. However, some men may benefit from medically supervised testosterone replacement therapy. Prime Body offers telemedicine-based hormone optimization for eligible patients. Through convenient online consultations, patients can receive comprehensive evaluations, lab review, personalized treatment plans, ongoing medical support, medication delivery to their home.